Chinfong Machine Industrial Company Limited. Chinfong 2-point direct drive servo press integrates the mechanical press and NC servo control system. It's an intelligent, composite and green product. With servo system, the slide speed can be changed for the hard forming material so as to extend use of the press machine. The linear detecting device assures identical pressing height with bottom dead center rectification system that improves productivity and prolongs the die life. The front automated guarding provides not only safe protection, but also space for maintenance. The addition of front light curtain improves operation safety. Chinfong Servo Press provides user-friendly touchscreen interface. There are 9 built-in pressing modes for different materials. Crank mode. User can adjust running speed. No need of complicated setting. Standard forming jobs like blanking, punching, and bending, etc. are all suitable. Most materials are available for this mode. Coining mode. More than the adjustment in the height of speed change and running speed, it provides the adjustable slide motion stay at the BDC. That offers sufficient forming time, holds the pressure for coining completion, and prevents material springback, often applied like coins and logo coining. Link mode. The speed of forming area can decrease to the lowest to avoid surface cracking from fast stress change in a forming period. The drawing mode is applied in parts drawing, like steel mug and stationary box. Mold heating mode. The main feature is for setting the safety height and time adjustable before reaching BDC. It is developed for hard-forming materials like magnesium alloy. The heating in die mode can preheat the magnesium alloy inside the die while longer staying at BDC and form the material slowly, so it can be used in laptop and cell phone cases. Feeder mode. This provides the adjustable stop height and time after passing the BDC. The mode is applied in the automation line of multiple presses integration. Each press has different production processes in the line, and the stamping speeds are different. This mode can synchronize the productions among the press line. Fine blanking mode. For the forming physical specialty, the slide speed can slow down to avoid fracture. It's suitable for forging stainless and high-strength steel. Pulse mode. It provides an up and down pulse curve within the forming area. That makes the slide move up and down again and again to release stress during stamping. In this way, it can deepen the drawing length on the part gradually and increase the yield rate of drawing long and thin parts like lipstick shells and battery cases. Swing forging mode. It provides identical height setting for multiple sections and adjustable speed. By repeated hammering process, it can release the inside stress of material and give the material a sleek shape and better mechanical properties. Hardware tools like sleeves, wrenches, knives, etc. are all suitable for this mode. Pendulum mode. With the servo control drive, the slide can move back and forth without passing the top dead center. This significantly increases productivity and reduces energy consumption, further providing an eco-friendly working process. The blanking parts like washer, covers, and file holders are all available for this mode. Chinfong Servo Press is not only a press having complete features, but also a piece of modern art.